Hey guys, it's Cannibal 5 in here. We're going to do a video of between two fans. We're going to see if this Lasko 2150 12-inch oscillating desk fan can spin the blades on that Lasko 3733 box fan. Here we go. Here's high. Can't back it up because camera. I have terrible, I don't have a tripod anymore, so I haven't had a tripod in a long time. My tripod broke, so I'm gonna have to do it this way. Sorry about that, guys, but here we go. Here's high. It's spinning them. Medium and low. Off. So that was a success. It actually was able to spin the blades on that on the Lasko box fan. And for fun, we already know this can happen. For fun, we're just gonna see if the box fan can spin the blades on the Lasko desk fan. Here we go. Medium, low, and off. Sorry about that, guys. That's the clock in the background. It's 8 o'clock. Alright, thank you guys. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.